Today, I'm going to show you how to do an iPhone XR board swap. So let's get started. First, we need to remove the CPU. I'll use a hot air gun and apply airflow to lift the CPU off the board.
Then I will remove the EEPROM chip.
Located next to the CPU and clean it using the same process. Now I'll clean the CPU pins properly. Then I'll align the stencil over the CPU pins and apply solder paste to fill the pins. Then I'll use the hot air gun and apply airflow to form the solder balls.
I'll repeat the same process on the EEPROM chip.
Place the stencil, apply solder paste, and then form the solder balls.
I'll follow the same process to remove the NAND chip.
And then place all the components onto the new board. I'll align the CPU, place it on the board, and use airflow to solder it in place.
Then I'll place the EEPROM chip.
and solder it using the hot air gun with airflow. I'll place the baseband chip using the same process and solder it with airflow from the hot air gun. Using the same process, I'll carefully place another chip and solder it in place. This is how you perform chip reballing to complete a board swap. I hope you understood the process. Thank you.